Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to learn the verbs of type B2. Ρήματα τύπου V2. They're quite similar to the verbs of type B1 because they kind of have the same ending. They end up with omega and the omega has an accent on it. But they're getting conjugated differently, so we're going to see a couple of verbs of type B2 and then we're going to conjugate one. They're all getting conjugated exactly the same way, so if you know how to conjugate one, you know how to conjugate them all. Now let's see some verbs of type B2. Ας δούμε μερικά ρήματα τύπου V2. Μπορώ, I can, I'm able. Ζω, I live. Επιθυμώ, I desire. Κατοικώ, I inhabit, I live. Θεωρώ, I consider. Παρακαλώ, I beg, I request. Οδηγώ, I drive, I lead. Ακολουθώ, I follow. Now let's conjugate one verb. We're going to conjugate the verb μπορώ, which means I can. And we will see the difference in comparison to type A verbs in you plural polite. Εγώ μπορώ, I can. Εσύ μπορείς, you can. Αυτός μπορεί, he can. Αυτή μπορεί, she can. Αυτό μπορεί, it can. Εμείς μπορούμε, we can. Εσείς μπορείτε, you can. Plural polite. And we see the main difference here from the conjugation of the verbs of type A. Αυτοί μπορούν, they can masculine. Αυτές μπορούν, they can feminine. Αυτά μπορούν, they can neutral. That was the conjugation of the verb μπορώ. Now let's see a couple of examples with these verbs. Ας δούμε μερικά παραδείγματα με τα ρήματα τύπου V2. Μπορούμε καλύτερα. We can do better. Αυτός ζει στην Αθήνα. He lives in Athens. Πού κατοικείτε? Where do you inhabit? Where do you live? Θεωρώ την καθημερινή αγκαλιά απαραίτητη. I consider the daily hug essential. Εσείς, you plural polite, οδηγείτε την ομάδα. You lead the team. Εσύ ακολουθείς τις οδηγίες. You follow the instructions. You follow the manual. Αυτές επιθυμούν καινούριο αυτοκίνητο. They desire a new car. And that was the verb that were the verbs B2. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.